I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix horn on Nissan Rogue, updated. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorting while you work. Next, locate the horn assembly behind the front bumper or near the radiator support and inspect for corrosion, damage, or loose connectors. I will guide you through testing the horn relay, checking the fuse, probing the horn connector with a multimeter, and replacing parts if needed. Start by checking the simplest items, the horn fuse and the horn relay in the fuse box. If the fuse is intact, swap the relay with another identical relay to see if the horn responds. Use a multimeter to test for 12V at the horn connector while someone presses the horn button, or ground the horn connector briefly to see if it sounds. I will explain what each test result means and the next steps to fix it. If tests show the horn itself is faulty, remove the mounting bolt and disconnect the wiring to test the horn directly with a jumper wire to battery positive and ground. If the horn sounds when powered directly but not from the car, trace the wiring and replace corroded connectors or a faulty clock spring. After replacing parts, secure all mounts, reconnect the battery, and confirm the horn works reliably with a final test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.